Example problem 6.4. In a ballistics demonstration, a police officer fires a bullet of mass 50 grams with speed 200 meters per second on soft plywood of thickness 2 centimeter. The bullet emerges with only 10% of its initial kinetic energy. What is the emergent speed of the bullet? Here, a police officer fires a bullet. So, a police officer fires a bullet of mass m. So, it is 50 grams with speed 200 meters per second on soft plywood. So, he fired bullet on soft plywood of thickness. So, the thickness of plywood is 2 centimeter. So, the bullet emerges with only 10% of its initial kinetic energy. So, when the bullet come outside, the kinetic energy of, final kinetic energy of, here, when bullet come outside of plywood, so the kinetic energy is, how much it is? 10% of initial kinetic energy. So here 10% of initial kinetic energy. So what is the emergent speed of the bullet? So here what is the emergent speed? That is final velocity of the bullet. So initial velocity of bullet is given. So that is Vi is given. Vi is equal to 100 meter per second is given. Mass of the bullet is given. So here the given values. Mass of the bullet is 50 grams. So convert into kilograms. So that is, so 50 into kilo, 10 to 4 minus 3 kilograms, that is equal to 0.05 kilograms. Here initial velocity, speed of the bullet is given. So that is initial velocity is given, that is 200 meter per second, and we have to find initial kinetic energy. So what is initial kinetic energy? Half mvi square. So that is called half mvi square. So that is equal half, here mass is 0.05 into vi square. Vi 200 into 200. So here 2 ones are 200s are. So here decimal and 2 zeros cancels. So 5 into 200. So that is 1000. So initial kinetic energy is 1000. So what about final kinetic energy? So here final kinetic energy is 10% of initial kinetic energy. So final kinetic energy Kf is equal 10% of initial kinetic energy. So here initial kinetic energy is 1000 of 10%. So 10% means what? 10 by 100. So 2 zeros cancel. 10 into 10, 100 joules. So final kinetic energy is 100 joules. But we know here final kinetic energy, that is called half mvf square, that is 100. From this vf square is equal to how much? So take this side 2 into 100 by take m this side m. So that is called 2 into 100 by, here m is equal to how much? It is 0.05. So 2 into 100 into, if we remove decimal, so we have to take 100. If we remove the decimal, so it is 100 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 to the 10, 0. So 2 to the 4. So 4 into 1000, 4000. So Vf square is equal 4000. So therefore here Vf is equal square root of 4000. So simply Vf is equal to how much it is? It is 63.2. meter per second. So the final velocity of bullet is how much it is? 63.2 meter per second. See the example problem 6.3. A cyclist comes to a skidding stop in 10 meters. During this process, the force on the cycle due to the road is 200 Newton. So here the force on the cycle due to the road. So that is and is directly opposite to the motion. So it is nothing but it is frictional force. So here first question is how much work does the road do on the cycle? How much work does the cycle do on the road? So first question, how much work does the road on the cycle? So work done by the road on the cycle is how much? So here work done by cycle on the road is how much? So let us take a cyclist. A cyclist comes to skidding and stop in 10 meters. So he skid after 10 meter he comes to rest. So at this point he come to rest. So here the force on the cycle due to the road. The force on the cycle due to the road. So that is directly oppose the motion. So here the force on the cycle due to the road is, so that is nothing but it is frictional force. That is how much it is? 200 Newton. So here displacement is given. So the displacement, the cyclist move in this direction. So the displacement is 10 meter. It is in this direction. So this is in this direction. Here force and displacement are in opposite direction. So the angle between force and displacement theta is how much it is? 180 degrees. So that is called pi. So see the first question, what he asked, how much work does the road on the cycle? So work done by the road on the cycle. Work done by the road on the cycle. So here WR, work done by the road on the cycle, that is called WR is called, we have a formula. What is that formula? Work done, W is called F into D into cos theta. F into D into cos theta. So here F is given how much? It is 200. D is given how much? It is 10 meters into cos 180. It is cos pi. Cos 180 is equal minus 1. So that is minus 200 into 10. 2000 joules. So here work done by the road on the cycle is 200 joules. Here minus indicate it is in opposite direction. So see the second one B. Here how much work does the cycle do on the road? So here work done by the cycle on the road is, so here work done by the cycle on the road is, so double C is here according to Newton's third law, the force on the cycle due to the road is 200 Newton. The force on the cycle due to the road is 200 cycle. So it is equal and opposite to the force on the road due to the cycle. So that is equal and opposite direction. That force is 200 Newton. So here force is 200 Newton into, but here there is no displacement. Here force is 200 Newton. So in this case force is 200 Newton, but there is no displacement of road. So is there any displacement of road? So there is no displacement of road. So the displacement of road is 0. So work done by the cycle on the road is, so here force into displacement. Here there is no displacement, so work done is 0. So work done by the cycle on the road is 0.